They say a team becomes more than just a collection of people when a strong sense of mutual commitment creates synergy, thus generating performance greater than the sum of its individual members. Bowhead has grown from an individual idea into a collective vision within just 4 years. What began as 2 people working in a basement on one bike has turned into a 25-person team collaborating across countries on multiple adaptive solutions. From our lineup of 3 distinct bikes to the brand new journey into wheelchairs, Bowhead is committed to improving quality of life by revolutionizing adaptive mobility equipment. Christian's idea to invert his articulating sit-ski design was not only the foundation of the Reach, but the foundation of the company. His individual pursuit of a missing experience is what has now opened the door for us to find solutions that enable any individual to pursue any experience. The Reach evolved into the RX, which then evolved into the Rogue, each new bike achieving unique requirements that allow a whole new group of individuals to regain their mobility, independence, and freedom. It's amazing to see people from Chile to Switzerland, Australia to New Zealand, pushing the limits of our technology and getting back to the places they never thought possible.
Here I am along the Matanuska River here in Palmer, Alaska. It's absolutely vital for me to live an outdoor active life, and this bike is my main tool for doing that, and I'm so grateful for it.
The Bowhead means a lot to me, basically everything, because it allows me to get out, enjoy nature, ride with friends, and mountain bike. And there's not a lot of sports except wheelchair sports or skiing that I can do, but this is by far the best sport I've ever done. And me and my dad go ride every freaking day, even after school. So the Bowhead's just everything for me. It's the greatest thing ever.
With our Solidworks partnership, and with each new team member, we have been able to continue innovating, expanding our creativity, and bringing our community closer together for a positive impact. Now, with 3D Experience, we can branch out further into new industries and use increasingly sophisticated methods of developing new products. Disability does not know borders, and neither should the companies designing in this space. The 3D Experience platform connects people, ideas, data, and solutions in a single virtual environment, eliminating any pre-existing challenges faced with communication, collaboration, or sustainability. Every single intern, employee, volunteer, customer, supplier, partner, and tool has played a critical role in where we are today, not only advancing our technology and business, but pushing our team beyond our own constraints. Together with Solidworks, we can not only assist people like Shania, Carlin, and Christian in accessing the outdoors again, we can help them access their own potential.
Awesome. Congratulations, you guys.